I know you've seen other videos, but this one ain't like those. All work. You know when you got something good. No fluff. And before we move on, like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow if that look good. That look good right there, it's right? A no fluff video. Let's get this on your plate. I'm gonna show you how to do this right now. You heard? Let's go. All right, so you're gonna drop a little oil in the pan. Go ahead and put your sausage in the pan so we can brown this up real good. Like that. Brown it up for about 5 to 6 minutes. Go ahead and add your ground beef, 80-20 mix. Brown that up real good. And let's get these seasonings going. Some garlic, some onion powder, some oregano, some Italian seasoning, some parsley. You like this video? Subscribe. All right, let's go ahead and check this meat. Subscribe. Pause. Keep it crunchy. Let's go ahead and put some frozen spinach in there. Put the top on that. Let's check this out. Stir it up real good. Make sure the spinach is not frozen. Let's go ahead and add some tomato sauce. About a 1/4 cup of water. Some Italian seasoning. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder. Some oregano. And let's get this a good stir. Make sure you stir this real good. It's simple. Anybody could do it. All right, so let's go ahead and get the ricotta ready. Let's make this ZiTi mixture. I'm using 2 cups of ricotta, 1 egg, some black pepper. Gotta season the ricotta. Some garlic powder. Extra garlic. Some onion powder. Some thyme. Let's go ahead and put some cheese. This is Asiago, cheddar, mozzarella, and provolone. You could use whatever cheese you like. And definitely that Parmesan. You gotta season this ricotta. If you don't, it's gonna taste like wet tissue. Mix that around real good. Don't play. Son, get your whip game on. Yo, mix it around real good. All right, so let's go ahead and boil the noodles. And we're gonna cook these for about 6 to 7 minutes. Voila, look at that. We got them drained out. They steaming, smoking like a fiend right now. Right? See, don't use it all. Mix it around. See what it look like. Let's get that ricotta mixture. Put some of that in there. Add some more sauce. Yeah, now the ZiTi coming together. It's coming together. Let's go ahead and add the rest of the noodles, the rest of the ricotta mixture. The seasoned ricotta. Look at that. That what you want, bruh. That what you want. It's looking legit, right? So let's go ahead and get the casserole dish. Throw some of this marinara, spaghetti, bakedziti marinara. And let's go ahead and layer it down. And the first small layer, you don't want to make it too thick because you want to put cheese right in between the layers like this. So don't be stingy with the cheese. Throw the cheese on there. Like Rich Boy, throw the D's on there, throw the cheese on there. Add some of that Parmesan, some more mozzarella. Mad mozzarella, look at that. Yeah, don't be cheap, man. And let's go ahead and add the second layer. See it coming together? It's coming together. Let's go ahead and pop this in the oven, 45 minutes, 400. Yeah. Look at that. We looking good. Yo, how you like that right there? I told you we gonna make this dish. I'm gonna show you how. Now look at all of that. You know, if you like this video, make sure you like and share, follow and subscribe, you heard? You know it look good. Nah, I just taught you something. Stop eating out the gas station. You heard? Bust them pots. Look at that extra sauce on top. Gotta have my chicken wings out the air fryer. As you can see, we definitely put a dent in this. Bended it. Folded it up, bend it, drill it. Yo. You know what I'm saying? Mad good. Yo, definitely good. Gone.